it's me again, Natasha. In the previous tutorial I gave you information about how to turn a mat into a beautiful beach bag. So far so good. We can put inside our sunscreen, a bottle of water, our swimsuit, and our towel. But what about towels? They're so boring without any personality.
And then I came up with an idea.
How about showing you an easy and quite entertaining way to customize your beach towels? And I'll give you an extra tip to fit the towel on the decker without the wind taking it away. It's our secret. Are you ready? You're going to need
A towel, a needle and some thread, or a sewing machine if you know how to use it, scissors, pins,
and of course materials from the newest Vostex summer collection. So first of all, let's visit
www.vostexfashion.com. Oh my goodness, there are so many that I want. I don't know what to choose from such a wide variety. Tapes, ribbons, cords, verbal tapes, pom-pom, teasels, borders. I'm so excited. Oh, just have a look at this tape. It has so many bright colors. Definitely this will be one of those I'm going to use.
You can do many combinations. Don't be afraid of it. There's no mistakes in fashion because everyone adapted to their own taste.
Grab your towel, even if it's monochrome, colorful, or even with patterns. Place it open in front of you and decide which side you want to change. You can decorate the small sides or the large ones. Part of the small side with a big one, or just the corners. With the help of scissors, cut equal parts of the materials you have chosen. Then fasten them with pins on your towel. And sew them.
This is one way of doing it. The other way is
to cut your materials in irregular pieces to decorate the corners, just like this. And then the process is exactly the same.
Now, as for the tip I was telling you at the beginning of this video, there are two ways. The first one is
to choose a tape, in my opinion, a soft one. Then cut it in two equal pieces about 40 centimeters each. Choose a side that it will be on the top of your deck chair. Fasten with pins each tape, one on the right and the other on the left side. Remember to put the good side upwards. Sew them. And now, with the two tapes, you can make a knot behind the deck chair.
The other way is to pick an elastic.
I love this one with lurex, it gives me a sense of luxury. Measure the side that will be at the top of your deck chair. Then cut the elastic a few inches smaller, approximately 10 centimeters. Place it on the towel with the good side facing down. Fasten it with pins. And sew its end. Now we turn the ribbon on the back of the towel. As it stretches, it's not going to move at all. Trust me.
Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Many kisses!